Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? Ha ha! What's going on? It's your boy Ski, and today, we have a jam-packed daily market update. So let's get into it without any further ado. All right. So, Ethereum's merger project for September, according to soft timeline. This is what I keep telling you guys. This is what they're saying, but they've been saying it since 2018, so we will see. But it's looking more and more like they will officially be merging in September. So we'll see. We'll see if there's any more delays. September 19th is the soft timeline as of right now. Now, on to some real news. UK judge greenlights blockchain process severing via NFT. So basically, this judge legalized transactions via NFT. A judge in the United Kingdom approved legal documentation served on the blockchain via non-fungible tokens. This is what I think that the blockchain is going to what the NFTs. I don't think NFTs are going to be like some art or whatever. This is what I think NFTs are going to be. NFTs are going to be the title to your house, the title to your car, digital contracts. Instead of, here, let me send you this contract, I'm going to send you this NFT and you connect it with your wallet, and that means you're signing it. That's what I think the future is as far as the NFT technology goes. And this is pretty big. Russia considers jail time for those who help crypto scammers in laundering process. Crypto hedge fund founder predicts Ethereum will plunge to 500 in 2 months. Now, 2 months is September. So I don't know if September, but my sentiment is on the market that I do believe that Ethereum will go to 500 and maybe even as low as 333. 333 is the absolute bottom for me for Ethereum. But my sentiment is the market doesn't just go down in a straight line. We're going to get into the charts later. But I think we're going to have a relief rally back to 30K for Bitcoin up until October. At the end of Shemitah, a major event is going to happen. And then boom, 10K Bitcoin, 500 Ethereum, 22 cent XRP, and best believe I'm going to be stacking, and all my cash, that is all my USDC that is on the sideline, the buy alert will go in. All right, just in, Ripple, 76% of financial institutions expect to use crypto in the next 3 years. Just in, 24% of banks, financial institutions, are going to be going bankrupt in the next 3 years. They're either going to get on board or they're going to be blockbuster. That's it. The banks currently and the financial institutions are blockbuster. They run everything. They rule the world. And we're going to sneer at anything that threatens us. This could never happen. But in reality, the technology of the bank, the traditional financial institution, is so freaking clunky and the experience is not good at all. So they're either going to adopt, they're going to get on board, they're going to get on board with this selling transactions, or they're going to die. And people think, I say these kind of things, and people think that the banks they've always been here, they'll always be here. In reality, every single recession, hundreds and thousands of banks go under. Every single time. 2008, hundreds of banks went under. So they're going to get on board, or they're going to get wrecked. And that's the bottom line. Adapt or die. That's it. So right now, currently, the banks are in the business of selling you money. That is their business model. They're going to have to go away from that, and they're going to have to go into transactions from blockchain to blockchain, and or cross-border transactions at volume, or they're going to get wrecked. And that's that. Now, coin payments suspend service in the U.S. regulatory trouble or exit scam. Now, basically, this coin, there's the company, the global payment, coin payments, right here. If you got your money on there, you need to get it off. They're saying by July 19th, you will no longer be able to withdraw. So if you got your money currently, this is a big warning announcement. If you got your money on coin payments, you will not be able to get it off after July 19th. So you need to get your money off of this. Okay, just thought I'd get that announcement out there. The riots continue. Look, China converses banks on mortgage boycott rolling. Look at this. This is what I'm saying. China is going through like a revolution right now. China is more likely to have a civil war than they are to be the world power, in my opinion. But look, their banks are about to go under. They were too far over leveraged, and they're going to get wrecked. Now, if you're not following me on Twitter, go ahead and follow me on Twitter. @Gajewskey. Swole is the goal. Size is the prize. Okay. The Bahamas payment says the country will turn to crypto for innovation and offsetting GDP losses. And offsetting GDP losses is what they will do. Innovate or die. And the ones who are in front are going to be leading the way. Good for the Bahamas. This is great news, in my opinion. Now, Celsius faces new Ponzi scheme lawsuit as its debtor is relieved. They're filing a class action lawsuit against Celsius, as they should, in my opinion. It was basically a rug pull. Now, onto the markets. Bitcoin isn't really doing too much right now. I mean, we're sort of just ranging right here still. I do think that we're in for a relief rally. Like, markets, look, this is the 5-day chart. I think ultimately we do get somewhere 12, 14K, 9K, somewhere in there ultimately. But markets don't just go straight down like that. No, they do not. They do not just go straight down like that. So we're consolidating right here, maybe like a little soft. The RSI is completely oversold at this point, and it's about to cross. When this purple line crossed, that's very bullish. So I think we're going to get a relief rally up to maybe at least 28K, maybe as high as like 35K, 38K, somewhere in there. We're going to get a little bounce. People are going to say, oh, crypto's back on. This is going to go into October, November time frame, and then boom. I'm just going to draw this just for funsies, what I think is going to happen. And then, boom. Actually, right here. That's what I think is going to happen. All right. We'll leave that here. See if it plays out. I think into November, to October to November time, we're going to have a relief rally. It could, look like this. Squiggle, down, up, down. But generally, I think we're going to go up. Relief rally. A major event is going to happen at the end of the Shemitah, which is the 7th year. We're currently in the Shemitah. I've talked about this in some of my other videos. But if you don't know, the 7th day is the Sabbath. The 7th year is the Shemitah. And every 7 years, major stuff happens. 9/11 was on a Shemitah. The dot-com bubble was on a Shemitah. The 2008 real estate crash was on a Shemitah. The 2015 Chinese stock market crash was on a Shemitah. The last Jubilee Shemitah, which is the 7th year, the 49th year, was in 1971 when Richard Nixon took the U.S. dollar off the gold standard. So something major is going to happen around this inflection point, in my opinion. And then it's going to come crashing back down, and that's going to mark the bottom. That's my prediction. Now, Ethereum is looking good. We drew out this little wedge. It technically wicked below it, but it's basically, let's go on the daily here. Actually, let's go on the 5-hour. Like on the daily, this is really bullish. Look, it just crossed, and it has good separation. It's very consolidated, very tight in here. So if we can break, and like I've just been saying it for days and days, like we're right on that 1280. If we can break out of here, there is nothing until 1800 top minimum. Like it's thin air. So we'll see what happens. It's looking really bullish. But it could break to the downside. We'll see what happens. But I don't think, like I said, same story with With Ethereum, I don't think that these things just go in a straight line. So it's very oversold at this point. I think we're going to get a relief rally up till November. Probably, especially the merger. If it really is successful, like maybe October 13th. I'd have to see like when the moon is. I'd have to look at the full moon, but we'd probably get back up here to 2,500, and then it's going to roll on over here to 500, in my opinion. Now, the market cap, we're at 933. So we're closing in on that $1 trillion market cap. So we'll see. Quant. Dude, Quant has just been on a freaking, I don't know what this is. Nothing is what it is. This is nothing. But Quant on the week is up 60%. Again, like this is the second week in a row. It's up 60%. It's like just on a freaking moon mission. At one point, it was up 20% on the day. Like Quant is just like to the moon, bro. Just moon mission. And if you look at the, like, let's go to the white paper on Quant. Whatever. We'll just go down here. Here it is. Like, this is a major player. Okay, so like let's just go over some fundamentals on Quant. Like I said, my bullish prediction on Quant on the next bull run, Quant I think is going to be over $1,000. Like, and if you don't think that that can happen, you're crazy, because let me tell you why. The biggest thing on Bitcoin is its supply. It's low supply, 21 million. That's all there will ever be. 21 million. Well, Quant only has 14 million. And not only does it only have 14 million, but it's doing way more than, where is the white paper on this thing? It's doing way more than Bitcoin. It is directly linked with Oracle. It is right on the World Economic Forum page. It is the standard for ISO 20022. Bro, like Quant is doing, like, this is a major project that I am just stacking my bags on, and this is going to be really big. If you're sleeping on Quant, the moon rocket ship is going to launch without you, as far as I'm concerned. But I mean, the market is looking green. It looks like on the week, on the day, like we've had a couple of green days in a row. I think we're due for a little relief rally. This stuff doesn't just go down in a straight line. Like, look at ETH right on that 1280. If we break through that 1280, that's going to be big. But Luna C, like, oh my God, man, I'm sick of this meme coin. This nothingness nonsense needs to die, so the real projects like Hedera, like Quant, like XRP can come through and save the day. Now, like this video, if I added any value to you, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, most of you are not subscribed, so I mean, what can I do for you that you need to subscribe? We're making videos daily bangers, daily market updates. Now, if you want my exclusive content of my exact portfolio, all my buy and sell alerts, and you guys, I mostly just stack. Okay, I do a little bit of swing trading with less than 5% of my portfolio, but every week I am buying, and you can have access to my exact portfolio and exactly when I buy, when I sell, my investment thesis, books that I've read for free that have helped me change my life, and just overall A-Train squad material. Shout out to you. But if you want to join that, join my Patreon. The link will be in the description. But that's it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity. I'm out.
Damn, hustling.
It's your boy, Ski.
Hustling.